उड़ू ऊंचा।
Look at these pictures and tell me if you can hear the t sound in the middle of these words. Lotus, lotus, water, water, metal, metal, motor, motor, hotel, hotel. Lotus. Lotus is a plant. It floats on water. It has large, flat leaves and a beautiful flower. Water. You must drink lots of water, especially in summers. Water is very important for animals as well. So if you have a pet at home, don't forget to give them a bowl of fresh water every day. Metal. Metal is hard and very strong. You cannot break metal very easily. Metal is used to make tables, windows, and many other things. Do you have metal spoons and forks at home? Metal is shiny. Metal. Motor. Motor is a machine that makes things work. Cars, bikes, buses have motor engines to make them move from one place to another. Lotus. Water. Metal. Motor. Can you hear the t sound in the middle of these words? Now let's see if you can figure out the words with the sound t in the middle. Hotel, sunny, motor, wheel, steel. Hotel. Can you hear the t sound in the word hotel? Hear it very carefully. Hotel. Yes, we can hear the t sound in the middle of the word. What about sunny? No, we cannot hear the t sound here. What about motor? Yes, we can hear the t sound in the middle of the word motor. What about wheel? No. What about steel? Yes, there is the t sound in the middle of the word steel. You did a great job. You are a star student.
Like, share and subscribe.